Life is a mystery. No. Wow, ganda.
Hi guys. So we're at the hotel right now and lalabas kami, pupunta kami sa Alcazar, which is one theater kineme. Yeah. Oh, kapanha. Thank you. So yeah. So the name Nice.
Here 412 inside.
9.5. Hi, what's up mga F? It's your BFF FRAK Frankie, back again with another video. Before that, intro, pasok. Let's go. Okay guys. Hindi na ako nakapvideo. Kasi wala pa ako sa video. Kailan ko kami.
After we check in, our backdrop, I'll give the passports to everyone.
On the way.
That's why we have to show it again there.
Backdrop lang.
The car still running on.
Let's go. It's currently 7:32. So yeah. Mahaba pa oras. Let's go.
Wala po.
Let's go guys. Tayo muna. Hey guys. Nasa airplane kami. So ayun. Go-watch lang ako ng movie for 2 hours. Para you know, may entertainment ako. So yun. Maya rin. Alis na rin tayo. Siguro let's hope for the best. Let's go.
Pero wala pa yung flight crew nga eh. So that's 29 minutes from now. So we can go up, get some coffee, go to the CR. Wala CR dito din. So things like that. You wanna do that?
Sure.
Okay.
So, boarding na kami pero we're gonna get some coffee first. So, yun. Para ano, may energy ako mamaya. Hindi ako makatulog. Habang biyahe. Dahil na-enjoy ko yung biyahe. Oh my gosh, legit na to. Day 1 na to guys. Actually, it's not. Yeah. Actually, it's not day 1. It's actually half a day. Pero, kaya yan. First time flying.
Did you see a coffee shop?
There's
Sa kabila, di ba?
Starbucks, but there's a
line?
long line.
Okay.
We're gonna get some coffee first.
And then may
Let's go.
may pagkain sa sa plane there.
We're at Little Fleur na. So yeah. Then 9:55 ang boarding namin. So it's 8:27. So ilang minutes pa. So yeah. Magka-coffee lang kami, breakfast. Then pag meron na, pupunta na doon, di ba? Gets niya ako. Let's go. Another movie. Wait lang. Wait ako. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Medyo maalo. Let's go na. Here will be the time lapse. So, the meal is already here. Then, I have dried mangoes, butter, bread. Then, ano to, Dan? Ano to? So we're at the hotel right now and lalabas kami, pupunta kami sa Alcazar, which is One Theater Kineme. Yeah. Kapan ha? Thank you. So yeah. So the name of our hotel is Sundollar and Older Stop. And the employees here, also the manager, is very approachable and yeah. Kumbaga makuha mo lahat na ano. And as you can see, tago siya. Pero maganda. As in, look. The red nature. Ganda. Ganda ng place. See? So, yeah. Pupunta na kami ng Alcazar. But before that, kakain muna kami ng, let's just say, snacks. Dahil gutom na kami. So, yun lang. Thank you kayo. Bye-bye. So, we're here at the cabaret show. Hindi na ako makikita. Bala kayo dyan. So, yun lang. Bye-bye. Bawal kasi mag-video, guys. Yun lang.
ท่านกรุณางดใช้เครื่องมือสื่อสารโทรศัพท์มือถือการบันทึกภาพวิดีทัศน์และการใช้ไฟแฟลชอันจะเป็นการรบกวนสุนทรียภาพในการรับชมขอขอบพระคุณครับ Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that use of camcorder, flashlight camera, and cell phone are prohibited during the show. Thank you.
Sabi, first 9 minutes, so ignore it.
Sawadee Kop and welcome to the world-famous Alcazar
Just keep
Cabaret,
it low lang.
celebrating over 20 years of spectacular entertainment with a dazzling display of world-class performances, showmanship and choreography, magnificent costuming,
kasi mag-video,
stunning sets,
pero-
and state-of-the-art light and sound. We invite you now to sit back, relax, and prepare to be swept away on a magical, mystical, musical journey of dance and song that spans the globe. As our performers are preparing to whisk you away to a fantasy land of sights and sounds, open your senses and let your imagination run free. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the world-famous Alcazar Cabaret is proud to present our most stunning show to date. Please put your hands together and give a very warm welcome to our very talented troupe of entertainers, because it's showtime.
Wow.
Madonna. Parang life is a mystery. No. Wow, ganda oh.
Guys, so tapos na namin mag-dinner. Yeah. Natok na. Mag-night market pa kami. So yun. Alis pa kami. And after nun, so yun. Date ko na lang kayo sa day 2 bukas. So this is gonna be I think 20 or 30 minute long video. So kaya may part 2 pa ako, guys. Don't worry, may part 2 pa to. Kaka part 2 to. Yun. So sa part 2 tayo magkikita-kita. Once again, this is your BFF FRANKIE from J. Bye bye.